Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are 100% sure you are entering the right screen time passcode but iPhone keeps saying incorrect passcode, you are not alone. In iPhone settings 2026, this issue usually happens because of Apple ID syncs glitches, family sharing conflicts, or cached screen time data, not because you are actually wrong. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix screen time passcode incorrect safely and correctly. So first thing first, important clarification. Screen time passcode, the opposite of iPhone lock passcode. Okay, so there are two different codes. If you enter the iPhone lock code, it will always say incorrect. So make sure you are using the correct passcode. So screen time passcode is 4 digits by default, set when screen time was first enabled, difference from Face ID, difference from Touch ID, and difference from lock code. So you are unsure. If you are unsure, continue follow what I will say. So use forgot password. Okay, so this is the only supported way to recover screen time access. So go to settings, go to screen time, scroll down, screen time, tap change screen time passcode. Okay, so you have to find it here after you make the passcode, because I don't have any passcode on the screen time. Okay, so tap change screen time passcode, forgot passcode, and then sign in with the Apple ID used to set up screen time and create a new screen time passcode. Okay, so this instantly fixes the issue in most cases. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.